How to add your Shopify link onto Instagram. So first things first, head over to shopify.com and navigate through the settings of your online store. Now once into the settings, you're going to go ahead to the domain section basically, which is where we're going to obtain our link that we're going to be pasting. So this is basically the link. You can actually either just obtain it from here, or you can just simply click onto your Shopify store and just basically, get let me just copy this real quick. Or you can just head over to your Shopify store and copy it from the section bar from here. Let's just do that. That is another way to do it. Let's head over to our store. This is viewing our store basically. Let's go ahead with that. This is our store. I can just simply copy the link from here as well, which is pretty much essentially the same thing. Then I'm going to head over to Instagram, and onto the Instagram section. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go onto my profile quickly. And from here into our bio, we are going to put in this basic link into the link section. Right here, click on edit profile. And once you're into the edit profile, you have to basically into the website section right here. You can just simply add in that link, but adding in the link only works on mobile devices, which you cannot do on Instagram on websites. So just copy that link and paste it down into the link section right here. So this is it, guys, an easy way to add in your Shopify link onto your Instagram account.